Oh, hello. It's Mr. Harry here again, and we found this amongst some trees near our house. There was nothing living in it. It was abandoned, so no plants or animals were in it. And I was wondering if you could help me figure out a few things about it. First, what is it? I think I could hear a few of you say a bird's nest, and that's what I think it is too. This is a nest that some adult birds built in their spring to lay their eggs in it. When the eggs hatch, little birds grow up, and when they get old enough, they fly away and they abandon their nest. So my question for you is, what did they use to build their temporary home? Ask your friends and your family, what was used to build this? When you've done sharing, a second thing I'd like you to figure out. If you were building your own home, what materials would you use to make a house or a home for you and your family? Would you use similar materials as a bird uses? Or would you use different materials? Maybe what you could do is draw a picture or write some words about the materials you would use and how you would build it. Share your ideas, your questions, and your answers with your friends, your family, your teacher. That would be lovely. We'll see you soon. See you.